Do RAM optimizers really work? Another channel recently busted a myth about RAM optimizers and said that RAM optimizers were a complete waste of time. They're a complete waste of money because there's such great free ones out there, but RAM optimizers are actually useful in limited capacities. And if you go out to MSDN, there's a gentleman by the name of Ting Chu, and I don't know what his last name is, Chiaw. Sorry. But Ting Chu has included a bit of source code that will free up as much RAM as possible over the course of 10 seconds. And these click-to-run RAM optimizers can be great for convincing memory to be released from its hold in Microsoft operating systems. Microsoft operating systems try and keep things that you've run recently preloaded into memory so that you can click them and they will load faster, which makes your programs generally feel faster. However, if you're about to play a game, you want to clear out all of these, but you don't want to have to do a reboot. So by filling up the memory and then saying, ta-da, I'm done with that, I don't need it anymore, delete it, Microsoft's Windows operating systems will say, oh, I guess I need to clear up some space because things are full, and will start purging a bunch of that stuff that it doesn't need. And then when your program says, hey, I lied, I don't need all of this memory anyway, you will have cleared up a bunch of memory that makes your games or CAD or Photoshop or whatever you're trying to run specifically run better without having to do a reboot. So the gains aren't huge on most systems, but if you're running something that's very memory intensive and you've been running for a long time and you don't want to have to do a reboot, a RAM optimizer can do a great job of memory clearing. And it isn't really optimizing the RAM or defragging the RAM. It really is just telling Windows to purge things that are in memory that it isn't using.